How's it going? I'm Ryan. Today I'm going to go over the one trade that I took on ES. I took a small loss. Today was a little bit of a rangy, choppy day. Decided to try to look for some sort of continuation, which might have been foolish. Got stopped out. It was a tight stop with less than half size position. So a really small loss on the day, but we're calling it there and just moving on. I'm going to pull up the 15-minute chart on both ES and NQ. We'll look at both of them because they're both kind of in this range. So basically what I was watching is this is ES. We are within this range. The yellow levels are pre-market high and low. I wanted to see maybe a move out of that range. This blue level is just a level off the 15-minute. This red is Thursday's low a day. Let's swap over to NQ, take a look at NQ. Same thing, been in a bit of a range between the pre-market highs and lows. We have Thursday's low right here at like 9:30 or so. The trade that I took was on ES. Reason being is the ES was relatively stronger than NQ. So if you look at the 5-minute, here I'll pull it up. If we look at the 5-minute on ES, we opened with this weird doji and then we kind of climb our way higher and set new highs. And we got a strong 5-minute close with increased volume above this level that I was watching. Whereas NQ, on the other hand, we got a close below Thursday's low, then we rallied right back up. But we have these long upper wicks and we're kind of struggling to see any volume come in and any closes higher now, although we are climbing quite well now. So once we closed above this level, we came down, we retested it and held it on the 5-minute. After that, I entered right at that level. I entered a long. I only took 5 contracts on ES, so pretty small position. I was risking off the 200 EMA, so I'll show you that on the 2-minute, but that was my risk. It was about 2.5 points or so. And my my target for take profit was this little swing right here. So about 612, or excuse me, 6,312. Let's take a look at that on the 2-minute and kind of see what that looks like. So once again, we're kind of in this range, right? On the 2-minute and the 5-minute, we got increased volume. We got a strong break out of that range. Come down, retest, hold on the 5-minute and the 2-minute, and that's when I entered long. Like I said, I stopped placed my stop below the 200 EMA. Everything was kind of curling bullish. It was like a little bit early, I'm trying to almost predict it. And stop below 200 EMA. Target of this little swing high here. So same thing that I showed you on the 5-minute, but maybe a little bit more information to take in here on the 2-minute. Got stopped out, but it was a small stop. We're down $74 on the day per account. Not bad. It was like a 3-to-1 risk to reward as well, so we had 2.5 stop, about a 7-point take profit, so just about a 3-to-1. That's really it. That's the only trade that I took. I think looking back at this, hindsight's 20/20. But NQ longs at the bottom of this range would have made some money. ES along near Thursday's low day would have made some money as well. There's some opportunities. I'm just playing the range. Maybe I was looking for continuation in a day that we're not going to get continuation. So probably should have known a little better there. It is what it is. We're gonna just accept a small bump and move on. There's no point in trying to revenge trade this price action. There's no point in trying to make back what is such a small loss that it doesn't really make a difference, right? If I have one green day, it's well behind me. So I'd much rather just wait for a better setup than try to trade whatever we see in front of us here today. Realistically, probably shouldn't have taken a trade at all today, but the fact that we took it a small size, took a tight stop, kept our risk pretty small. We're not down much at all, so we're just gonna keep chugging forward and try to pass these evals this week. A little less than 500 away, about $440 away, and we'll be there. So nothing too crazy, just a quick little trade today. We are looking to move on from that tomorrow and hopefully get some better price action. I appreciate you watching. That's all. That's it. And yeah, I'll be back streaming. I'll stream this whole week live on this account. If you want to stop by, I'd love to see you. And other than that, hope you have a great rest of your day. Take it easy. Peace.